So regarding icons, um, I just want to say that we should use SVG images or icon fonts. And the reason being that if you're going to extract these images as rasterized images such as a JPEG or a PNG, we're going to run into issues where on different device resolutions the image may appear blurry, so on Retina devices you need to load a bigger image size. So even though this arrow itself is 15 by 23 pixels, on a screen that's like 1x, like 72 pixels per inch, you can load an image that's 15 by 23. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio of the image resolution to the screen resolution, and it will look it should look crisp. But then when you get to a device that's 2x, you would need to serve an image that's double the size. So even though the icon is 15 by 23, you would need to load an image that's 30 by 46, so 2 times as big. And then you get some devices where the resolution is in between. Maybe it's 1.5, it's not 2. So then you would need to load an image that's in between 1 and 2, which is 1.5. And then you would need to write the media query for various screen resolutions and also serve various image sizes. So you would need to create this icon, this arrow icon, in 3 different versions at 3 different resolutions for 3 different displays. So what's better than that is to load a vector image, so a SVG file. And I'm going to mention 2 families that I use, or two packs. One is the feathericons.com, and this style is delicate line stroke style of icons. And the other pack is Elegant Themes, their elegant icon font. It's also delicate, but certain icons, they have bold variations, especially their social icons. It's not as delicate as the feather. I think the most obvious one would be the Instagram icon. It looks like this in feather, and here, where is it? Okay, well, it's a different version. I can't seem to find it. Oh, here, this is it. It's the camera icon. So I just use the images or the SVG files, just a handful of them. So I don't actually need to load the whole pack of icons. If you're using Elementor, they use Font Awesome. And the thing I don't like about Font Awesome is you don't get that delicate feeling that you do from Feather Icon or Elegant Font. So that is why I'm mentioning these 2 packs. When you're when you're building your site in Elementor, you can actually upload your specific SVG image to the site. So it's still useful to gather the icons that you plan to use. And I will just show that this is the Instagram icon from the Feather Icon pack. and you can see that it is HTML markup, and this code you can paste directly in your HTML, or you can just refer to this file, instagram.svg, in your CSS as a background image or as a mask. And we'll get into that ways to use the SVG in the future class. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say about icons. So use SVGs for your logo, for icons, so you don't need to worry about the quality of the image across devices.